Hello, my Christmas cherubs. This is Mr. Walton, and I am going to give you some gifts for Christmas. These gifts are the gift of knowledge. Let's start with question one. Which of these describes the gravitational force from a planet? Is it a push or a pull? Think about it. Question two. Which pair of objects has the largest gravitational force? When you look at A, B, C, and D, which two have the biggest overall mass? Question three. Sean is moving heavy furniture by sliding it across the floor. He uses a blanket. Why did this help him? So you are thinking about the force of friction. If it's easier, has the friction increased or decreased? And why? Question four. Two basketballs are sitting 1 meter apart and are not moving. Which best describes why the gravitational force does not cause them to move? Okay, gravitational force is a force of attraction. Which thing has a much greater mass and therefore a much greater gravitational force than both basketballs? It's huge. Question five. If someone drops a cup, it falls to the ground. Why doesn't the gravitational force between the person's hand and the cup keep the cup from falling? Same principle as question four. What is it about that huge thing that causes it to fall towards it? Question six. When would you like to have low friction? Think about it. Look at those. Where do you want the friction to be least? Ice, baby. 7. Planets A and B are both the same size, but planet B has 3 times the mass of planet A. How does the weight of an object compare on the two planets? Remember, where the mass of a planet is greater, it has a greater gravitational force. Therefore, which planet has the greater gravity and therefore would give the object the greater weight?